Hey guys, today I have my exhaust in my friend's shop right now. I'm going to be welding my exhaust. If you saw last video, you know that I tried many different ways and options, but it just still had leaks because I couldn't get it right. We're going to weld with a Flux core welder. It's not like the top of the top, but it's gonna work.
It's a $100 Harbor Freight.
It's a $100 Harbor Freight welder. So, did I say Harbor Freight? It's a $100 Harbor Freight welder. However, I'm just going to paint over the welds so they don't rust. Hopefully, that'll prevent it. But at least this will stop leaks. And I've never welded before, so this is going to be my first time learning as well. And I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope it turns out good. First, I'm going to practice on some sheet metal stuff.
Maybe I should plug it in.
Maybe. First, I'm going to practice on some sheet metal stuff so I can kind of get the hang of it and see what I need to do or not to do. I'm just going to keep the camera rolling and, you know, just show you guys everything. Because I'm learning, so I'm happy. Cody just practiced with it on this sheet metal right here, and he figured out that the minimum speed, right? The minimum voltage.
The wire feed speed.
Kind of with this.
Oh, the minimum is for thin metal.
So we started on minimum for the Flux welder, and then we put it on wire speed 7. And that one right there, the top one, is what we just finished with.
Do you want me to show what it looks like on max?
And that looks really good. No, I think...
I kind of want to see what happens with this thin metal.
So that is what it looks like on maximum. You still had it on 7, right?
Yeah.
Maximum on 7. That looks not good. So,
but
we're gonna do minimum 7, and I think I'm gonna practice now. I wasn't close enough.
that's not that bad, honestly. Don't be afraid to let the metal sit and cool down too.
This is what my first weld looks like on my exhaust, and I'm actually really happy with it. Cody even says I'm doing really good for my first time.
He actually is doing a great job.
You heard it from the man himself. Right now I'm just basically spot welding over and over in the same, and just kind of going instead of doing a consistent line all the way down without stopping. And I think it's working really good. I'm gonna weld this thing up fully, and then I'll move on to the next piece. So my first piece is all welded up by me, and I'm actually happy with it, and I think it's going to seal really well. So there is a couple tacks I had to add like that look kind of goopy, but like a spot like right here, that looks really good to me. And like right here, it's a little crooked, but so I'm really happy with it, and I'm gonna move on to this joint right here. I'm gonna kind of just tack this part in right here, and then weld all the way around this, just like that side. I'm at my house now, and I'm in my garage, and I'm about to put the exhaust back on, but right now, before I do that, I'm actually going to spray it with this VHT flameproof paint, just so that, like, spray the welds with it, just so that they don't rust, because it is a flux core welder, so that'll kind of just prevent it from rusting.